Check it out. We got the E5 Air. Good time to clean this thing since it's not working. I'll tell you what to do. We're gonna flip this thing around, look at the back side. Okay, then we're gonna pick up all the candy wrappers off the floor and look at this hose. How is this thing? Let's see, it's sealed up from last year. Need to tape this sucker. I've already taped mine. Once we drain the water, I don't think there's going to be any water in here. There's never been any water before. Let's see here. Wait a second. Is it this one? Oh, yep, there is water in there. Not a ton. I could probably just use this paper towel. Yeah, I guess it was humid last night. Or this hose is leaking again. Ooh, yeah, this does have quite a bit. Okay. Well, I guess I am gonna need a cup or something. Okay, I got a water bottle. Let's try that. See the dirty floor now. Take this sucker off again. Oh, it's got a little plug. Take that out. Let's see how much water comes out. Ew, there's some dirty water in there. Little chunks. Wow. Wow, this does have a lot. Wow, I've never had to drain this thing. But it was icing up overnight. I had it on like the lowest setting so it didn't turn off all night. Okay, and you can just stick the plug in there and it doesn't leak. I think, yeah. As long as you stick the plug back in there. Then go dump the water. And then we'll try again. Okay, let's see how much more we get out of this. Lean it back a little bit. Yeah, that works. Just lean it back. Okay. Oh man, that is some more water. Wow, and it's still coming out. I want to get as much as I can out of here. Just stick the plug on. You don't even have to put this cap on. Just stick the plug in. Okay, let's go dump this.